We're going to look at brush knee and twist step, and particularly we're going to start with the pivoting of the feet. So very simply, I'm taking my whole structure, hips, torso, foot, everything to the 45. So I turn on the heel on the front foot, ball of the toe on the back foot's facing forward now, front foot's facing 45. So again, I start with the front foot facing forward. I'm in mountain climber stance. Take the whole torso, everything turns to 45. So this can be particularly hard for adults sometimes. They feel uncertain on their feet, so maybe good to start with some support. It could be a kitchen counter. I'm going to have my near hand, the front foot, forward foot, close to the support. Near hand is grabbing the counter, or the parallel bars in this case. And I'm going to take my outside hand and take the whole body and reach to the counter. So again, I have everything lined up. Turn the body, reach. From here, I can support my weight on that foot and get ready to step empty through. So one more time, mountain climber stance, whole structure, including the hand, reaches around to the counter, balance over the foot, step through empty, my weight still on this left foot, and then from there, I would shift forward. I keep on reiterating the turning towards the counter because sometimes people turn the foot, but they keep the hips sort of forward and lumber the weight forward. So I need to find my alignment over the 45 foot. Balance, step, shift the weight. I'm outside my office now, so we can work on the full move. So we have that initial turn, foot's 45, body's 45, weight balances over the foot, empty step, shift the weight, square the hips. Again, I need to turn, get the weight to 45, balance over the foot, empty step, shift the weight, square the hips. So once we're feeling comfortable with the pivot and comfortable with the balance, we can start working on the spinal movement. So initially, my spine bows, my chest bows a little bit, my arm relaxes. I'm gonna turn, my spine and chest opens as my hand comes up. Step, my spine bows as my hand passes my ear. Turn through, my chest opens as the palm settles forward, the wrist settles forward. Bow the chest, turn, open the chest, bow the chest, open the chest as the wrist settles. Bow the chest, turn, open the chest, bow the chest, turn through, open the chest. One more time, emphasizing the spinal movement, but I really want to highlight the importance of the balance and the positioning. So you need to get that first, maybe practice at the counter. So spine moves, turn, weight balances over the foot. I can bring the toe down if I need, but open the chest, empty step forward, chest is relaxed and bowed so that I can open the chest as I press the hands forward. Bow, turn, open, toe down if I need for balance, empty step, bow the chest, open the chest, push out. Bow the chest, turn, open the chest, bow the chest, open the chest. Bow, turn, open, bow, turn, open. Bow, turn, open, bow, turn, open. Bow, turn, open, bow, turn, open, project, out.